This story is all about the crane's elf. Once there lived a mother crow with its babies in a nest. It used to feed its babies with love and care. One day, a cat tried to eat the babies. Just then, a crane that was passing by saw the cat and shooted it away. When the mother crow returned, it thanked the crane for saving its babies. Since then, the crow and the crane became friends. Moral of the story: help each other without expectations.
Keywords from story.
Feed: to give food to a person, group, or animal. Passing: move or cause to move in a specified direction. Shooted: to hit, wound, destroy, or kill with a bullet, arrow, or similar object. Returned: having come back from somewhere or having been sent back. Since: in the time after, a specified time, or even in the past.
Opposites from story.
There, year, live, dead, used, new, away, near, say, waste, help, hamper.
Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with another story. Till then, take care.